Hello Euanimous Friends! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Euanne Hyuna. So today tuturuan ko kayo paano gumawa ng coconut balls. No cook, no bake dessert. But before we start, don't forget to click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video. Let's be friends! Euanimous Friends, ito ang ating ingredients. So, dalawang condensed milk flavor ang gagamitin natin and desiccated coconut. We needed 1.5 cup desiccated coconut and then 3/4 cup of condensed milk. So, paghahaluin lang natin ito, i-mix lang natin hanggang magsama yung condensed milk and then desiccated coconut. Maglagay tayo ng 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut for coating sa separate plate. Then, another 1.5 cup of desiccated coconut and then the ube flavor, the condensed milk ube flavor. And then, katulad kanina, pagsasamahin lang natin ito, haluin lang natin mabuti. Now, let's start our coconut ball. So, I use 1 tablespoon. So, para pare-pareho yung pagbilog natin. So, bilugin lang natin. So, once na bilog, lagay natin dun sa separate plate na may coconut desiccated for coating. Yan. And then, ilagay natin sa ating malinis na container. Ayan, tapos na ang ating masarap na coconut ball. So, lagay lang ninyo ito sa malinis na lalagyanan. And then, mas maganda kung ilalagay nyo ito sa refrigerator para mas masarap pag kinain ninyo.
Euanimous Friends, if you find this video very interesting, don't forget to like and share and click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video. Let's be friends until next video. Bye! I love you!